this video, we're going to walk through the use of the Merge Tool tab to horizontally merge glass across vertical members. Here's the elevation we will draw. Before merging, it's very important to determine the correct number of panels needed to achieve the design. To do that, we're going to identify all the verticals I'm drawing and then extend the lines from the top to the bottom of the elevation. Now we simply count the number of panels the design will require. You can see that this elevation will require 4 panels. Enter the number of panels for the elevation into the Elevation Tool tab. For this example, we'll be adding a horizontal. We'll cover horizontals more in a future video. Now that we have the correct number of panels, we can start merging our glass. Go to the Merge Tool tab and click Add, then select the 2 or more daylight openings to merge. Notice that after you select one opening, only the compatible openings are highlighted. Select the remaining daylight openings to merge and then click Save. We'll continue to add merges as necessary until our design is complete. After adding our merges, we've achieved the result that we're looking for. Note that this is how you effectively create a vertical split in an opening. There are no split options in version 16, and you will instead be using the merges. And that's all there is to merging glass in WinBid Pro 16. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more.